What's up, guys? This your boy, Mr. V, aka VP. And look, today we got two things that we about to unbox. You know what I mean? One they was talking about smells good. It was under 20 bucks, so I had to get it. But then this other one, I just keep seeing it popping up on my feed For You page, man. Like, it's going viral right now. So yeah, we about to get into these two very affordable fragrances. Before we do that, welcome back to all my existing subscribers. If you're new here, please subscribe. Hit that like button right now. Teaching you how to smell good for a very affordable price. But yeah, let's get right into it, guys. So today we got the Fakar, you know, the one for men, the silver, the black, whatever. They got a gold, and they also have one for women as well. And then we have the Starman Nebula from Fragrance World. And they say this one is good. They say it's good, so we're gonna see. I'm actually opening this one first because I know it's gonna smell good, so I'm gonna open this one first. I'm sure this box is trash. Oh, man. How y'all boys and girls feeling out there, though? Trash over there type. Yeah, Starman Nebula. This is a dupe of a discontinued fragrance. I'm gonna figure that out real soon. I got the notes, but I'm doing the first impressions. When I do the review, I have all that other good stuff ready. But look, man, Starman Nebula. I like this one. I like the bottle design. Nice and simple, sweet, straight to the point. This box is probably definitely trash. Okay. Definitely smells like a mature man's fragrance. This for my men right here. This not for young men. This for men right here. But we gonna, see how it's doing. Give it a atomizer check. See how it smells in the air, man. Never sprayed, not prime. Okay, decent atomizer. That's going for a whiff. Oh, I like that. That's good. It's like a boozy fresh. It's like a boozy clean. Okay. Not clean in the sense of like Louis Vuitton Imagination clean, but this is like a clean boozy, like freshy. Okay, this is good. Let me get it on skin. You know what I mean? Then we're gonna open up the Fakar, see how that one is. Go 2 sprays on the hand. The atomizer is nice. No problems with it. I can say first impressions, I'm not disappointed with the scent profile. Atomizer is okay. This was 17 bucks. I got this from Jumbo Shop. So, okay, I like that. Let's get into this Fakar. Fakar for men. This thing, I just keep saying this popping up on my For You. So I had to grab it. I had to bring it to y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know it's worth it. And I know these Fakar bottles kind of hard to get out because I bought my mother-in-law one, and that thing was hard to get out. Oh no, not mine. Okay. Okay. All right, but fool me. Shoot. Nice little box, but this box probably going right to the trash. I ain't got no room for no boxes, man. I ain't got no room for no boxes, man. When you start collecting these things, you'll have a problem. Like, you keep your boxes now, but wait till you get to like over 100 bottles. But nice bottle design. You know what I mean? No complaints with the bottle. This is 100 ml, I presume. Yeah, 100 ml. Yep. Say it on the box, actually. I'm glad the jewel didn't come off. This is supposed to be like a sweet, got some vanilla, cardamom, what they say, tonga bean. They said a whole bunch of stuff, but it just sounded like it might be gourmand, maybe. I don't know. It might be like a freshy, sweet. But that Starman Nebula is really good. I like it. That's a great fragrance for 17 bucks. I'm gonna just say 20 bucks. Starman Nebula. Hold up before I get into this, because this is really good. I thought I wouldn't be as satisfied with it because of the price point. And not saying you can't get good ones like under 20 bucks. But sometimes when you blind buy it, when you listen to certain people, like that joint it just be a bad pickup sometimes, you know what I mean? Like I listened to certain people and I blind bought some stuff and it was just trash. And then in some instance, I just seen things suggested to me on the page and I said, you know what, let me get that. Not even looking at a video on it. The best thing to do, man, when you get into these fragrances, just do some research on it first. Go on Google, YouTube, whatever, your favorite platform, and just type in the name of the fragrance you're looking for and do research on it first. Or if you see one on a video, like, oh, let me look into that one, you know what I mean? But let's get into the Fakar. We're gonna spray it in the air, see how it is, give it an atomizer check. Yeah, good, not spray, I like that. I like that. Okay. I see what they doing. I probably should have sprayed this first because that Starman Nebula beating. But that's good. Let's get that on hand. Let me see if I can see what the hype is about. You know what I mean? Well, I'm gonna say, it ain't hype worthy because they be hyping some stuff, bro. I'm like, yo, what are y'all doing? Y'all hyping that when y'all could be talking about some whatever. It's good, I guess. I'm not blown away. I'm not blown away by this, but it is really good though. Let me take the really off. It is good though. I'm just not blown away by it, you know. Like when I smelled LATTAFA Aside bourbon, I was blown away by that. This is like, okay, it's good. I'm feeling the Starman Nebula more than that. Sheesh. I guess it's good. Certain people taste just throw me off in the fragrance community, bro. Cause you'll see somebody glazing something, like, oh my god, it's so good, it's so good. But then I see why they say, man, fragrance TikTok has fucked up the fragrance community, man. TikTok shot videos, bro. When people do them videos, they glazing so they can get paid type shit. Man, some of them fucking fragrances they glaze, bro. It's like so much other stuff better than that stuff, man. Like, whatever. This shit crazy. I'm not blown away by Fakar. Fuck it, I ain't even really fake the phone. I'm not blown away by this Fakar, bro. Let me spray some more on it. Let me get another piece of the skin. I know nothing's dead. Let me see. I know nothing's dead, bro. Let me see. I'm not blown away by this. And they glazing it right now on social media. Everybody doing TikTok shot videos on this shit, bro. They glazing it right now. The price actually going up like dollar for dollar every day. Just like that Ansan Silver. Ansan Silver, man, they glazing. I seen the price go up on Ansan Silver $10 in a couple days, bro. That joint is hype. And to me, that joint smell like bourbon to me. Nah, then I'm getting I'm getting some alcohol. What? Bro, what are we doing with this? What are we doing? I ain't blown away. I give this a 6 out of 10. LATTAFA Fakar gets a 6 out of 10. It's overhyped. I'm talking to my people right now. My community. Don't buy this. Or, you know, you can buy it. Try it for yourself. And I know somebody gonna I can't wait till a person get in my comment section and say something and troll, because that's why I'm gonna call you a troll. And then I'm gonna go right after you. And it's probably gonna be somebody with an avatar as their picture or a letter as their picture that's gonna say something about, oh, you don't like Fakar. That's the first time I heard that. I'm gonna tell you this right now. Ooh, I ain't gonna say that. Nah, I'm gonna keep it clear. Ooh, I was ready to say F you, boy. You know what? I'm gonna say F you. I ain't gonna say the F word. I'm gonna just say F you. Before you get my comment section trolling, just know I'm gonna troll you back, dog. I'm gonna have some fun with you. But yeah, this is a 6 out of 10 Fakar. This is an 8.5 out of 10. I like this one a lot. I like this one more. Yeah, I like that. The dry down is good too. Sweet Boozy, man. She definitely gonna love this on me. God damn. Yeah, first impressions, I like this one a lot. Don't like this one. Hopefully it grow on me. I'm gonna let it sit. Hopefully it macerate, get better. I just, I mean, I do smell. It's probably in a dry down. You know what? It's in a dry down, dog. I'm not even gonna judge this right now. But on my first impression, because that's what this video is, this is a 6 out of 10. But it's drying down, and you know sometimes you got to give these fragrances some time to dry down, like 10, 20, 30. I didn't heard somebody say they had to give it an hour to dry down, and it really changed and it became what it was. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna let this one dry down because it's not given in the beginning, and then like I said, I got some alcohol blast in the beginning, but I feel like it's doing something different now, you know, because it's drying down. Yeah. Okay, that's why they say it's a good. I seen the guy say it's a good everyday sweet freshie. That's what he say about this thing. But yeah, that was my unboxing first impressions. I hope y'all like that one. You know what I mean? But like I said, if you're new here, subscribe, man. Showing you how to smell good for affordable price. Being as realistic as possible. We're not cleaning up no more, man. We just gonna be as real life as possible. We ain't doing all the rehearsed stuff because people like that organic stuff, man. Like they like real life stuff. You ain't got to be all dolled up. I get it. Hey, do your thing. Certain people do their thing, man. Stay in your lane, do your own thing. I'm about to just be as chill. I'm in a robe and a t-shirt in the crib chilling, bro. Unboxing stuff. Disappointed in this. First impressions. But the dry down is a little better. So I'm gonna move it to a 6.5 out of 10. It might go a little higher. I don't know. That's just like Hawaii's Black. When I opened that joint, I loved it. But then as I wore Hawaii's Black, I'm like, nah, I don't like how it smells. It gives me like wet old building vibe type shit with some pineapples in there. I don't know. I could be tripping. But yeah, man, it's your boy Mr. V. Until next time, look good, smell good, squad.